Hello traders, the title of this video is CCI a leading indicator? The CCI is a technical indicator, a momentum oscillator, and we want to answer a specific question. Is the CCI or the commodity index indicator of Donald Lambert a leading technical indicator? All right. So what I will say to traders is that yes, it is a leading technical indicator. All right. Now the next question is, how much is it a leading technical indicator? So the reason why I'm saying how much, it means that every technical indicator can become a leading technical indicator at one stage. Now, in fact, the stochastic, in my view, is one of the best leading technical indicator out there. Now, I don't want to talk about it here today. Maybe another day, if I'm in a good mood, I may reveal it to traders, all right? But yes, the commodity index indicator is a leading technical indicator. It does not mean that all the time is a leading indicator. At one stage, it may become a leading indicator. Now, most traders use the CCI as a leading indicator. So some traders may say, just so far, you did not explain to me exactly what you mean by a leading technical indicator. Did you ask that question? All right. A leading technical indicator is a technical indicator that is ahead of the price. So it's revealing to us what the price will do next. So the technical indicator is showing us already that the price is likely to go down before the price even goes down. All right. So, but there is a problem there. It's like when we are using the predictive fractal pattern. It's a leading, market forecast method, all right? When we are using a predictive fractal pattern at day pro trader, is a leading market forecast trading strategy. So when we are talking about a leading, so the technical indicator is telling you that the price has a high chance to go down. It reveals to you that it has a high chance to go down before the price even goes down. All right? So it's leading the price, it's ahead of the price. So the price is latent in comparison to the technical indicator. All right? But remember this, the price is the number one indicator. Though the technical indicator is leading the price, it's ahead of the price, one should still have to wait for the price, because the price is what? The king. I live in London, we have a queen here. The queen is the majesty. So, though the technical indicator is telling you it's leading the price, it's ahead of the price, it's telling you that the price is more likely to go down, but you still need to wait for the price to confirm it, though the leading indicator is ahead of the price. Am I speaking too much today? All right, I want to show you a few examples here so you understand what is a leading indicator. A leading indicator is a technical indicator that is ahead of the price, that is revealing to us what the price is likely to do before it even happens. So it's like the leading indicator is forecasting what the price will do next. All right, but we don't want to go ahead of the price. Though the technical indicator is ahead of the price needs to confirm it still. All right, so you understand it. All right, now is the CCI a leading indicator? Yes, not all the time. At one stage, you may notice that it's ahead of the price, but it's not always ahead of the price. So we answer that question. Yes, it is a leading indicator at one stage. In fact, all technical indicator will become a leading indicator at one point. So you may say, what is the best leading indicator? If you ask many technical traders out there, they will tell you that it's the CCI. If you ask me, I will tell you it's the price. Okay, but here we are. So I want to show you a few examples here. I have one example, very interesting example here. But before I discuss that example with you, is that You need more experience, all right? So don't discount what I'm going to show you now, okay? So it took me some time to understand, okay, how to use the CCI as a leading indicator. So when you are revealing to you and you disagree, okay, don't punch me in the face straight away and mark the video down, all right? Go home, sleep over it, think of it, and try to work with it over the year, because I spent many days and nights trying to figure out what's going on in this messy financial market. So allow me to start showing you exactly what I meant by the leading, okay, CCI indicator, okay? Look at this section here, okay? You can see that the CCI was going down. You can see the slope of that trend line is a negative slope, which means it's declining, yes or no? Everybody agrees, all right? But look at the price itself. The price was going up, yes or no, during that time. So the trend line for the price is bullish. So we can say there is a kind of divergence here. So we can say that a CCI divergence is a leading indicator. So what usually happens, you see here, the CCI was going down, okay, and the price was going up. And finally, the price came down, okay? But that's not the end of it. That's the gorgeousness of the leading factors, the leading aspects of the CCI indicator. Normally, I should be charging you for this information. I'm not charging you, okay? Okay? So when you see that the CCI is going down while the price was going up, and then the price comply with the CCI goes down, don't worry too much. Down here it is. The next step that after it start going up again. So we see a divergence, and then the price goes down. Now the price start going up. If the common trend line here, this one here, is broken, all right, we will implement a top-down trading method to sell it. So understand this. If I want you to understand this, because it took me a long time to understand it, all right. There is CCI going down and the price is going up. And then finally the price goes down together with the CCI. That's when it becomes very interesting. When you see that, the price has a high chance to go up again. So in fact, we can say that this move down, if the common center is broken, we can be very, very bullish here, because it has a high chance to go up, because we see a divergence and then a compliance. Now the price will turn around and go in the opposite direction. So we can say that this move down is alerting enough that the price has a high chance to go up. Not only that, if the common center along here is broken, we have a high probability bearish trading setup. But the information is provided to us as we see the CCI declining as the price is doing the opposite. So this information that we have here, this divergence that we see here, is a leading aspect of the commodity in commodity, okay, channel index. All right. So yes, the CCI is a leading indicator. Most technical traders will tell you that it's the best leading technical indicator. Now the question is, how do you use a leading technical indicator? The price is still the key. All right. I mentioned it before, and I'm not going to go over it. I want to show you another example again. As I told you before, don't bash me, don't punch me straight away. Go home, sleep over it, allow a few weeks to pass before you come back and punch me, okay? So here it is again. You see, the CCI is declining, yes or no? Is it declining? Yes, it is. What the price was doing, is it above a bullish trend line? Yes, the price was in a bullish trend line. Now, do we see a compliance? Now, the price finally came down together with the CCI. It reaches the oversold zone. What is it telling us? It's telling us that this move down, as the price complies finally, so it disagrees with the CCI, now it complies with it. If the common trend line is broken, we have a higher probability bullish trading setup. Oh, is it go up? Did it go up? Yes, it went up. You see, in fact, we have a pin bar piercing through the moving average 50. So the first leading indication is that CCI was declining, and then the price was going up, and then the price complied. Now the common center is broken. We have a leading indicator, and the price has a high chance to go up. Now, what I'm saying to you, after many, you understand why I say to you, I should charge you for this information. If the common center line here is broken, we have a high probability sell signal. Now, if the common center line here is broken, we have a high probability bearish trending signal. So some trader may say to me, George, I will just go down and sell this financial instrument. George, you didn't tell me yet the name of the financial instrument. We are analyzing analog devices incorporated, EPIC ADI, Alpha Delta India. So how do we sell? We use a different time frame trading method. Don't just sell. Implement a different time frame trading method. If the candlestick bar that breaks the common center line is too low, we highlight the high, the low, and the median line. We will prefer a little bit of hard rally. You see this candle here? He opened here. He went up a bit before they shut it down. Am I talking too much? All right. So you see, I show you two examples now to demonstrate to you is CCI a leading technical indicator. Yes, it is, but not all the time. As I demonstrated to you now, at those two stages, the CCI was exhibiting a leading trading signal. I have one more example because I'm a very experienced CCI trader. You may disagree, but it's one thing I say to traders, it's completely stupid to discount the experience of a trader. All right. So some traders say, Joe, you can't even speak English very well. Your accent is very fine. You are speaking like a frog. I should discount you. Fine. But you shouldn't do that. All right. Okay, so now we are looking at another financial instrument, Archer Daniel Midland. Okay, EPIC AGM, Alpha Delta Mike. I'm on the monthly chart as always. You already know that. That I have been following. I know that George, your favorite time frame is the monthly chart. So you may say, where are the leading indicators? This one is very interesting. Very, very interesting. So unless, all right, you never been to dayprotrader.com, you will not understand what I'm about to share with you. So you want to go to www.dayprotrader.com in your own time. Check every web page concerning the CCI indicator. All right. There are a lot of traders in Germany that use the CCI. I don't know why. The German like the CCI. The gates. Oh, wow. Okay. I had some trader before. I know. The person, the TSCCI Pro. You remember? I had a trading system that I was selling before. TSCCI Pro. Now I remove it from the market. All right. So what am I talking about here? So when we are using a CCI 14, the zero line is corresponding to the moving average 14. Did you get that? When we are using CCI period 30, which is the best setting for the CCI, the zero line is in theory, is corresponding to the moving average 30. If you are using CCI period 12, the zero line is corresponding to the moving average 12. Now, I said that. I'm not going to repeat it again. Let's see how long I've been talking to you now. 40 minutes. We're going to wrap it up soon. So now we have here a leading CCI signal. Why? Because you can see that the CCI, I'm going to place on my chart the zero line because we are using the CCI period 14. All right, don't want to waste too much time now. So the zero line is the dotted line on my chart here. You can see now, okay? You see that the CCI, we are in this section here. Watch this section. The CCI did not touch the zero line. Can you see? Oh, you want me to put a vertical line there? By the way, if you find this video useful, feel free to share it on the social website, and I really appreciate that, okay? You see here, the CCI did not touch the dotted horizontal line. It did not touch the zero line. But look, at that point in time, the price was almost touching, didn't touch it, but almost touching the moving at 14. Did I say that the CCI 14, the corresponding zero line is the moving at 14? Because you can see here, the price almost touches it. The moving at 14, but the CCI did not touch the zero line. What is it telling us? It's telling us that this is a leading technical signal that the price has a high chance to go back up. So this is again a kind of a divergence. The CCI did not touch the zero line, but the price was almost near the zero line. We do not just buy. That would be completely like an old-fashioned of trading. So don't be an automated trading machine. You are a human being. All right? You are not an autonomous trading machine. You are not also an automatic trading machine. All right? Am I speaking with my beautiful Texas accent today? Or am I using my frog accent? And that is to make you laugh a bit, okay? So CCI did not touch the zero line, but the price almost touches it. If the common center line is broken here, one must use a different type of trading method. Some traders may say to me, Joe, you just said to me that I must buy. No, I did not say you must buy. It's a kind of a leading technical indication, technical signal. It's a divergence. The CCI did not touch the zero line, but the price almost touched it. The moving average 14. Because we are using CCI 14, we must place on our chart the simple moving at 14. If you were using the CCI period 30, we will have placed on our chart the simple movement of 30. All right. Can we use the EMA also? Yes, you can use the EMA, but I would prefer that you use the SMA. So this is a leading signal here, leading trading setup. You may say leading trading setup that will generate a leading trading signal. Did it go up after the common center is broken? Yes, it went up. All right. Okay. So, do I have another example? Okay, so you understand it now? Okay. So, I don't want to dwell on it more. I talked about it a few times ago, about using the zero line and the corresponding moving average, the divergence of the price and the CCI itself to pinpoint the leading indicators, all right? And this section here, well, it touches the zero line. Look at, okay, here. Here, this is one example again. Here, you see this kind of bar here with a long tail. This one, look at this. It got a long tail. It went beyond. This is a monthly candlestick bar that went below the moving average 20. While, let me place the vertical line there for the CCI. Look at that. So in this case, the CCI has revealed to us that there was a bit of, you see this candlestick bar, there was a bit of exaggeration. Am I speaking French or English? See here? The CCI was not even, didn't touch the zero line. But look at this candlestick bar. A long candlestick bar with a long tail went beyond, below the zero line. While the CCI is still above the zero line, well above the zero line. This is a leading indication. After that candlestick bar is closed with that long tail, you see why this one did not have any tail at all, this one did not have any tail at all. So they understood that this was a leading trading setup. So now you understand why I said to you I should charge you for those information. But I will not charge you because we are a very, very good friend, long-term good friend, yes or no? All right. So this will conclude our discussion today. But is CCI a leading indicator? Yes, it is, but not all the time. At different stages, the CCI can exhibit leading trading signal. Every technical indicator can exhibit a leading characteristic at one stage. So you may say, what is the best leading technical indicator? If you ask many traders out there, they will all shout out CCI indicator. But I will say to you, it's the stochastic indicator. They say to me, George, well, explain it to me more. And I'll say no. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about is CCI a leading indicator. What is a leading indicator? It's a technical indicator that is ahead of the price. It's not lagging. It's revealing to us, it's forecasting what the price will do next before it even happens. So I'll show you two different examples. One example is about CCI going down and the price is going up. And then the price comply with the CCI going down together and the common center line is broken. We will buy. Price goes up. Now if the common center line is broken after the price goes up, that's again a high probability to the setup. The opposite is also true when the CCI is going up, all right, and the price is going down. Okay? The price is going down. And then the price go up together with the CCI. If the common center is broken, we will sell. But as the price goes down this time, if the common center is broken after it goes down, we will buy because this is a high probability setup. All right? I also reveal to you the CCI position in relation to the zero line and the price position in relation to the corresponding moving average. All in all, now you have discovered something new. All you need to do now is to use a demo account, practice until you master it. The mistake will be to go straight away and use a live trading account and start trying something that you have learned new. By practicing, you're going to see different scenarios, different examples, different challenges. You will make some mistakes and you will get yourself up, shake yourself up, and then until you master it. Once you are ready, then you can go into the ring with the more experienced CCI trader out there. I hope this video has been useful to you, has opened your eyes. Now you can say that I can see. If that is you, please give us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, in fact, I'm completely confused. I've never seen anything useless like this before, mark the video down. However, if you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friends on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. If you want to learn more about CCI trading, go to www.dayprotraders.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for CCI trading. Our YouTube channel is Day Pro Traders. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders answering a specific question asked by a trader on the web. Is CCI a leading indicator? So you say, George, I thought you could answer that question in 5 minutes. Yes, I could. But I want to give more details. All right. Thank you for watching. And I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.